Tesla China has a new king. The Model Y overtakes Model 3 in September for the first time. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Arya from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel and give us thumbs up if you find this report helpful. So Tesla China has a new king electric vehicle according to figures from the Chinese Passenger Car Association CPCA. The Chinese entity responsible for tracking new vehicle registration has revealed the Model Y is officially the best-selling Tesla vehicle in China, overtaking the Model 3, which has been one of the biggest catalysts to the electric vehicle revolution in the country, notes Tesla Radi. Tesla Radi says the Model Y is an all-electric crossover that entered the lineup of Tesla vehicles in March 2020 after initial production began. Since then, the vehicle has gained a massive amount of notoriety due to its widespread appeal in nearly every market that it is available in. In Tesla's home state of California, the Model Y took only 7 months to pass the sales figures of the Model 3. The two vehicles are extremely similar and share many of the same parts, up to 75% according to some Tesla executives. The difference between the two cars really amounts to size, cargo space, and body style. While the Model Y has continued to establish its long-awaited title as Tesla's most popular vehicle in general, the all-electric crossover is now overtaking the Model 3 in the Chinese automotive market. The Model 3 has performed exceptionally well in China since being delivered for the first time in the country nearly 2 years ago. It dominated sales figures for all of the 2020 friends, while 2021 has been friendly to the Model 3 as well. However, it has taken a backseat to the more affordable but less luxurious Hongguang Mini electric vehicle from GM's conglomerate with Wuling and SAIC in China, known as Wuling Mini. Tesla has still kept its eyes on the prize to deliver the highest quality electric vehicles in China. The Model Y has now overtaken the Model 3 in domestic sales. CPCA figures show 33,033 Model Y units were sold in September alone in China, while 19,120 Model 3 builds were registered to new owners during quarter 3's final month. The surge of increasing Model Y sales can be attributed to Tesla's appeal as an electric vehicle maker in China. Yesterday, the CPCA reported Tesla's largest quarter in terms of deliveries in China with 56,006 units. Friends, the Model Y continues to dominate electric vehicle leaderboards globally, including the increasingly popular Chinese market that has contributed incredibly to the transition to electrification. China, of course, is the largest car market and also the largest EV market. CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, also has high hopes for the Model Y, stating that he expects the car to be most popular vehicle in the world in 2022. Of course, it needs to sell, actually 2023, I believe. That's a ramp of 400,000 vehicles after only 7 months, right? So an easy 600,000 vehicles in 12 months from China. What do you think, friends? I think that will be remarkable. Now, I'm not very surprised. Elon Musk and Tesla have expected this for some time. I will be curious to see if a $25,000 car can sell this quickly. Perhaps it should sell better. Why wouldn't they? Why wouldn't these cars, 25,000, sell better? There seems to be some marketing data that suggests a $5,000 reduction in auto prices, leading to a doubling in sales. So a 25,000 drop to a price can be 10 times of sales. I don't know. By the time the $25,000 comes out maybe in 2025, it's going to be hard to make a compelling vehicle for that price. I think a lot of people are going to be disappointed when it doesn't happen, but I think it will happen. It will just mean a bit less profit for Tesla, but that's what their profits today are all about, financing this entire shift to sustainable transport and energy. They're planning and they won't be able to do that unless they meet the market at a much lower price level than what they are already doing now. Well, friends, let me know your thoughts. This is Armen Haryan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. I'm going to try some shorter news, see how they do, friends. Give us thumbs up, share in social media. You will help me, and I'll try to make shorter news. Have a great day. God bless you, and peace be with all of you. See you soon in our next report.